हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी ने हमारी पहली वाली वीडियो में क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तक का सॉल्यूशन देखा है। आज हम करेंगे हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 16। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 वी हैव गिवन a that is 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Now we have to prove a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. For this we need a cube a square matrix. So let's start doing multiplication of a into a we will get a square. 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. We get first row first column 1 into 1 1 0 and 2 into 2 4. Next 1 into 0 0 0 into 2 0 2 into 0 0 1 into 2 2 0 into 1 0 3 into 2 6. Now 0 into 1 0 2 into 0 0 1 into 2 2 0 into 0 0 2 into 2 4 1 into 0 0 0 into 2 0 2 into 1 2 1 into 3 3. Same way we will get our third row 2 0 plus 6 0 plus 0 plus 0 4 plus 0 plus 9. We get here 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13. Now we have to find the matrix A cube, that is A square into A. A square is 5 2 8 0 4 0 8 5 13 and A is 1 0 2 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Same process we will get our matrix A cube 5 plus 0 plus 16 0 plus 0 plus 0 10 plus 0 plus 24 2 plus 0 plus 10 0 plus 8 plus 0 4 plus 4 plus 15 8 plus 0 plus 26 0 plus 0 plus 0 16 plus 0 plus 39. We get 21 0 34 12 8 23 34 0 and we get here 55. This is our A cube. Now putting A cube and A square in the given equation, we will take our left hand side. So let's see what we get. Left hand side A cube is 21 12 34 0 8 0 34 23 and 55 minus 6. A square is 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13. Now plus 7a plus 7a is 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 plus 2i 1 0 0. Identity matrix will its order depend on our given matrix. Our given matrix is of 3 cross 3 order. So our identity is also 3 cross 3 order. Now we solve this. 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55 minus 30, 0, 48, 12, 24, 30, 48, 0 and 78 plus 7, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7, 14, 0, 21 plus 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. This one. Now we solve this. 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. Next is 0 minus 0 plus 0 and plus 0. 0 minus 0 plus 0 and plus 0. 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0. 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. Next 23 minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. 0 minus 0 plus 0 and plus 0. And last entry 3 element 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus 2. Now we get here 21, 7, 28 and 30, 30 minus 30, 0, 12 minus 12, 0, 34 and 14, 48, 48 minus 48, 0, 0, 14 and 2, 16 plus 8, 24 minus 24, 0, 0, 34 plus 14, 48 minus 48, 0, 23 plus 7, 30 minus 30, 0, 55 plus 2, 57 plus 21, 78, that is 0. So here we get our 0 matrix of order 3 cross 3. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Now solution of question number 17. In question number 17 we have given the matrix and the identity matrix and we have to find the value of k. For getting this value of k, we have to solve this equation. After that, we will get our value k. Let's see. Question number 17. A is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. And identity is 1, 0, 0, 1. We have given the equation a square equal to ka minus में 2i. We have given a and I. So, we have to find the matrix A square. And how can we find A square? A into A. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. We know how to multiply a matrix. First row, first column. 9 minus 8. Minus 6 plus 4. 12 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4. What we get? 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. Now, putting this value in this equation, 1. Putting the value of a square, the value of a square in 1. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 equal to k. A is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2 identity 1 0 0 1. Now we multiply it by scalar 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2 0 0 2. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. But on solving this, we get 3k minus 2 minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2. We know that if the matrix are equal, then we have to equal our elements. A11, 3k minus 2 equal to 1. We get 3k equal to 3 and k equal to 1. Next, minus 2 equal to minus 2k. Here we get k equal to 1. 4 equal to 4k. K equal to 1. And last is 4 minus 4 equal to minus 2k minus 2. This is minus 2 equal to minus 2k and k equal to 1. So we get our value k, that is 1. So our answer is k equal to 1. K equal to 1 is our answer. Now next, if A matrix is given and I is the identity matrix of order 2, and we have to show that I plus A equal to I minus A into this matrix, we have to show that. Let's see question number solution of 18. A is 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 plus 10 alpha by 2 0, and I is identity, and we know that identities depend on the given matrix. Given matrix order is 2 cross 2, so our identity is also 2 cross 2, so it becomes 1 0 0 1. Now left hand side, I plus A, that is 1 0 0 1 plus 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 0. We get here 1 plus 0, 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 0 plus 10 alpha by 2 and 1 plus 0. We get 1 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 and 1. This is our left hand side. Now our right hand side is I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. First we solve I minus A. I minus A is 1 0 0 1 and minus A is 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 and 0. Here we get our I minus A, that is 1 plus 10 alpha by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2 and 1. Now we have to multiply I minus A to this matrix. Our matrix is 1 10 alpha by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2 and 1. From which matrix we have to multiply? Cos alpha minus sin sin alpha cos alpha. Now we have to multiply this. We will solve this. Now we see. We know the formula that cos alpha equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and sin alpha equal to 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. We know these two formula, and now we use this formula. We will start 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 and 1, and this is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. We put the value of cos alpha and sin alpha. After then we will get our matrix this type: 2 tan alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 minus 2 tan alpha by 2 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and last is cos alpha. Cos alpha is minus 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. After multiplying this, we get first row, first column. 1 minus tan square alpha by 2, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and this is 10 to this plus 2 tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now we will multiply first row by second column. We get minus 2 tan alpha by 2, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 plus में tan alpha by 2 minus tan cube alpha by 2 divide by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now second row, first column, minus tan alpha by 2 plus tan cube alpha by 2 and 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Then plus 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now second row, second column, 2 tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 and 1 plus 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. On solving this we get 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 plus 2 tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Here we get minus tan alpha by 2 plus tan cube alpha by 2 plus 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Here LCM is same. 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 minus 2 tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 minus tan cube alpha by 2. Next LCM is 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, 2 tan square alpha by 2 plus 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. What we see? Minus tan square plus 2 tan square means 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. If we take tan alpha by 2, then it becomes tan square alpha by 2 plus 2 minus 1 means plus 1, and 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Next is minus 2 plus 1 means minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan cube alpha by 2. Here we take common minus tan alpha by 2. We get tan square alpha by 2. 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. In next, 2 tan square minus 1 tan square means tan square alpha by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. The matrix we obtained, that is this is cancelled and this is also cancelled. What we get? Here we get 1 minus tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 and 1. Here our right hand side is 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 1, and left hand side is also 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 1. So we can say left hand side equal to right hand side. You can say left hand side equal to right hand side. We have to prove this. So आगे के हमारे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. थैंक यू.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो इसे लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें. साथ में बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि इस तरह की इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे. अगर टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट आपको है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.